In this video, I will show you how to fix Eero blinking blue light. So a blinking blue light on an Eero usually means the Eero is in Bluetooth setup mode and waiting basically to be configured or added to a network. This is different from a red light, which should be an internet issue, or a white light, which means working normally, or a blinking blue, which is waiting for setup. So the first thing that you'd like to do is basically go and open your Eero app. On your phone, open the app and sign in into your account. Most blinking blue light issues are resolved through the application. Complete the setup process. If your Eero example is not added, you will have to tap Setup Eero and add your Eero, follow the on-screen instructions, and add it to your network. The blue light should disappear after the setup completed. And if this is an example didn't resolve the issue, always make sure to complete the setup. Normally will be, of course, connecting your IRO to your modem using your Ethernet cable. So verify the Ethernet cable is connected. Make sure it's connected to the modem and router and gateway, because a disconnected gateway IRO or Eero can remain in setup mode. Then, if that didn't work by any chance, make sure to just go and restart the Eero. So just unplug the power, wait for 30 seconds example, and plug it back again, and you can wait for several minutes. Of course, make sure to verify it was added to the correct network as well. If the Eero app or inside the Eero app, you can check if the device appears and verify it shows online. Sometimes the Eero was added to a different account or network. And of course, if none of these happens, as a last resort, if it keeps failing, you can just go and try to restart or factory restart the Eero to try and do it again all over again. Just go and hold the reset button for about 15 seconds. Some versions will have it right here, some other devices will have it here on the side, and some devices will have a reset button as a whole, so you'll have to stick a paper clip inside it. So just hold the button for 15 seconds and wait for the device to restart. Then you'll have to set it up again throughout the app. This should remove any existing configuration though, you'll have to keep that in mind, so you may need to configure it back again. But if there's an issue with it, it should be fixed with the factory reset. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.